Hello, Mike Strand here from StrandVision Digital Signage.
Today we're going to talk about different ways that you can view your signage. First off, we're going to log in. Next, we're going to hover over signage pages and click on View Signage. On this page, you'll see that there are several different ways that you can view the signage, each one with a link. The playback for location shows all of the subscriptions that you've purchased with StrandVision. These are considered a channel of content, so you can have different content for each of these subscriptions. Obviously, you can have one channel or you can have thousands, depending on the size of your company and how your organization is laid out. It's important to pick the proper channel from this drop-down list because everything underneath actually will change depending on which one you have set up. These links hotlink you down to the spot below. So if you want to preview the signage, you can click on this Preview Your Signage. Press Enter to close the window. You can also set up the web browsers within your company to automatically open up the signage or to open it from a favorite or bookmark. The easiest way to do this is to right-click on the link, click Copy Link Location, and then send an email to all of your employees asking them to bookmark or set it as a home page once they click on it. Play your signage on a TV display is how you install our software using the Windows installer on a Windows PC. There's a couple different formats for that, so if your organization has a firewall that limits it, you can also use this zip file. You should run the Windows installer on the digital media player that you're going to use. It's important not to run this on your desktop because once it's installed, it works very hard to keep playing and it's a little bit tricky to get it uninstalled. One tip I can offer to get your software uninstalled is to press the W key when the signage is up. That will drop it into a window so you can drag it off to the side and then do the uninstall normally through the control panel. When you do the install, it's going to ask for a username and password. If you have more than one StrandVision subscription, you need to use the username and password that's specified in this fourth bullet. You can also set the system to play the signage without internet, and this is helpful for trade shows and that kind of thing. Download these two files and extract them, and it'll play standalone for 1 week. You can also set the system up to put your signage on your own website, either the public website or a private intranet. You pick the size of the screen that you like and whether you want to use the background. Once you're done, you copy the HTML code here and paste it into your website. Once that's done, it automatically puts the signage into your website, much like this one right here. StrandVision offers a pre-built Linux digital media player. If you decide you want to build it yourself, you can follow these instructions to create the Linux player or an on-premise server. Because of the time that's involved, we recommend that you purchase our low-cost Linux media players, where all you have to do is plug it in and it goes. There's also a Mac digital media player that you can set up, and you download the Mac signage application and a couple documents and follow the instructions. I'm going to go back to the top. One other way that you can view your signage is actually to share your signage with other people. Click on the share link. Here you can decide which channel you want to share, an email address to send it to, and you can do multiple emails with a semicolon, and the from address, which is who this is actually coming from. You can also type in a note. Once you're done, click the send button and they'll receive an email that they can click on a link to see your signage anytime they like. So that's most of the ways you can see your digital signage. If you have any questions on this or any other digital signage topic, please give us a call at 715-235-7446. Email us at sales@strandvision.com or visit our website at www.strandvision.com. Next week we're going to talk about installing signage on a Windows PC. Look forward to catching up and have a great holiday.